Yo, it's your boy Georgie. Today is Monday, public holiday. We've got nothing much to do. I'm going to clean all the house and outside as well. Vacuum all the leaves. We bought this vacuum yesterday, guys. You see it? So we're gonna vacuum all the leaves in. My wife she's on work now. Unbox this one, guys. You see it? Hakuna Matata, yeah. Make sure you read the instruction. This is the belt you can put on top of you and touch lekker liefje. Maar liefje gewoon maar je laat vacuum roller.
I just finished my workout and my parcel came earlier. It's sitting there on the bench, so I'm going to do a small unboxing, probably for my personal channel because it's all my stuff. And you know, maybe you don't want to see a little yeah, just wanted to come and encourage you guys, do your workout. Don't let isolation get you. You get isolation.
Mang gọi vào để manuru ya. Nó vết leo mấy đúng không ạ? Sao lúc là ao cái ao mà nó lâu là. Wow. Kéo mà. Rồi. Pam pa puk đi để là phụ là pis.
Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. Don't mind my washing in the back. There has been no sun lately, so it's been really tough. I've taken the our washing to the laundromat once, and I'm thinking of doing it again today because it's just not drying properly, and you know the smell of not dried properly clothes. I am up early this morning. I just finished early morning prayer. And now we're off to try and hike. Now, I haven't hiked this mountain since I was like 19, and I struggled so bad to get up there, and I was much smaller than this. So I don't know how I'm gonna go. I really hope you guys are gonna see me either succeed or fail. Just a quick one, guys. This was my plant that was sprouting out. It's fully grown now, and looks like it's bigger than a lot of the other ones that have been alive longer. This one is the other one. We made it, guys. So we're just at the front of the walk path. Look, those men just made it down. Oh my gosh, I'd love to have that feeling right now.
Where?
Those ones. I'm like feeling all kinds of nervous.
It's easy.
I don't know.
Yeah, we're going to the mountain, guys. You see, it's early Saturday morning. We're going for a walk.
A hike, more like it.
Yeah. And yeah, after this I'm going straight to the gym.
Oh my gosh, look at all these people running down.
Yeah, just walk.
Must be nice. Must be nice.
Yeah, must be nice.
I remember when I came here last time, like 10 years ago. Maybe more, maybe less. But when I did do it, I almost did not make it up. I had to like stop so many times, and I'm probably gonna have to do the same. Aussie doesn't want to take you guys up. I know, comment down below and blame him, but
who's gonna hold the camera? Can you hold the camera then? No.
Did you wake up on the right side of the bed this morning? Anyways, so I'm probably gonna have a few stops. Bye.
2,000 years later.
We're finally back, guys. An hour and a bit later. I'm so red, so tired, I'm so sore. I did a body pump class like on Tuesday, and I overestimated my I overestimated myself because it was my first body pump class in over a year, and I just could not move the next day. I could not get out of bed, and then it's been about 3 or 4 days since then, and I went up the blinking mountain, and the way down, it's like the resistance, you have to hold your body, and my thighs were aching so bad, but I made it. Thank you so much to my #1 cheerleader over here, my baby boo. How was the mountain?
Keep healthy and stay fit, you know.
Yeah. All right guys, we're going to go home and rest and get ready for the day.
Ready for the day?
So tired, look at me, I'm so tired. Let me just kick my shoes off. My house is kind of messy, but after that big hike, I honestly do not have the energy to clean it. I don't even have the energy to have a shower and clean myself. I am so tired. Let me give you a little bit of a rundown on how it went, because I didn't take you guys up there, and I'm glad I didn't take you guys up there, because I would have ended up throwing the camera down somewhere. Oh, it was so hard. Like, the distance isn't as long as it seems, because the incline is like this, literally. Like this, like the whole way up. And I just kept having to stop because I could not breathe. And I also have to be mindful because my iron is very low. I mean, I could have a heart attack. I had an iron transfusion like 2 weeks ago, so that's helped a bit. Anyways, I'm so happy Aussie was there with me, because I would have turned around a long time ago.
Didn't fuck bar back.
Babe, I have no energy to fight by any back. No. You see me? I can't even get up myself. Look at him, he's dancing around like he didn't just hike up a big mountain. Aussie went up the top like 3 times actually. I was like, just because he wasn't getting much of a workout with me. So I was like, just run up and come back down. Finish shower, finish getting ready, all ready to go. We're about to go to a cafe. And then go kiki. Oh wow, fancy seeing you two here.
Fancy that.
What's up, SV Squad?
What's up?
Oh, so let's go order our food, because these guys are going. So we rocked up here to the cafe, and my family were here, so we ran into them. We got little Evan boy here.
Hi.
Aussie. We just ordered our food. I look kind of weird here.
Just finished breakfast, guys. Now we are going to get somewhere. Yeah, this is Saturday vibes, guys. You know, just chill with the pill. We're going to get and show you guys different place.
Yeah, 7:20.
Okay.
Guys, so we just finished filling up our car. We're still like in the same vicinity that we were the last time I said hello. And so yeah, we're on our way to pick up my parents, because they were meant to go somewhere, but then that didn't eventuate. So as we were leaving, well, we started at the petrol station, but we were about to leave, and then they called because they want to come with. But we're not going to go too far, because it's 12. It's 12 o'clock.
Aluai koi country makiki enga wakwa mawa nga umanga ki yo ku se metono ai ya koyo ku le paka fa swing yai.
Mommy, I went up the mountain today. Mount Ainsley.
DAW.
Guys, we just stopped off here at some place. I think we're in Harden. Aussie boy's gone to the loo, and my dad's over there looking at some big rock. And my mum, Mrs. Keen, over there. What a Keno guy. And I've got these boots on. Yeah, I didn't expect to get out of the car, did I? Ooh, what a view. Oh, my battery's gonna die.
We made pakpo.
Oh, how cute. Little duckies over there. Oh, take a photo of Dad, or see on your phone. Good Dad. Yeah, it's at Moncrief.
Nice.
Aussie, you cannot fit in there. Oh my gosh, his butt actually does fit in there. Go sit down. No, sit down. Yes, you can.
Right. Is it my face?
Oh, yeah, my phone lie out. Push me, Aussie. Push me. This is so much fun. Aussie, push me. My mouth, sorry. Oh, this is so nice. Guys, my battery is gonna die, so I don't know how much more of our road trip you're gonna see. And another thing, this message is for mainly the people who still have their parents around. God bless those who don't have theirs. But it's so wonderful spending time with your parents. But you would be surprised at how much you will learn from your parents. They have like years and years experience ahead of you. My dad is 60 and I'm only 27. So he's got about 33 years of experience ahead of me. And of course, you've got so much to learn from them. And it's just such a beautiful thing to be able to have a great relationship with your parents. Our relationship with our parents wasn't always like this. Sometimes, in a typical Samoan family, you don't generally have a relationship with your parents, and especially your dad. My dad used to come into the sitting room when we were younger, and everyone would just get up and go. Like, that was just how it was. Avoided him, avoided talking to him, avoided like any kind of interaction with my dad. Since coming to Christ and becoming a Christian, that completely changed. Jesus completely changed our life, and I'm so grateful to know the Lord and to serve my parents. Mom, I'm gonna order my shoes like that. I bought my mom and dad both their shoes. My mom's look, my dad, they both got the same shoes, and I'm about to order myself a pair. We've had another little stop off, guys, here at Cootamundra, which is about an hour and a half away from home. It's raining, you know, it sucks, it's raining. The road is going to be really slippery on the way back, so I have to tell Aussie to drive safe. Wrong shoes, everything's closed here, it's weird. Maybe they haven't opened up from the whole Rona thing. Yeah, there's just a lot of pubs in these country towns. We all know what y'all be doing. We're making our way back now. These are some of the country towns. Timora, we're in Cootamundra at the moment. Did a little bit of Kmart shopping. Oi, Target. But we have like how many Target stores in Canberra, and we have to come all this way just to go to Target, don't we, Mum? So we're on our way home, and then we saw a sign that this guy was selling wood. So of course my dad wanted to buy it. Because if you don't know, my parents have a fireplace.
I normally got trailers.
Where do I put this?
I haven't got no trailers.
You got some more wood?
Not now, I haven't, no. I will have.
We finally just got home. We left Aussie's ute there. We got dropped off by my parents, and we're going to go back there and help unload all of those woods you saw our stack on. The batteries are flashing. Aussie's in the kitchen. I'm just going to quickly end off this vlog. I won't have time to actually physically say comment of the day, so I'm going to post it somewhere here. Right now, you're seeing it. Shout out to you, whoever you are. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And each and every single one of you guys, please do remember to like this video if you did like it. Quickly, it's going to die.
Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week and enjoy our vlog. Stay tuned for next vlog. We love you guys so much. God bless. Thank you guys. Peace.